What's up, Lancers? I'm your host, Ryan Dehan, and we're back with the second round of the Winter Sports Trivia Battle. I've got my bowlers on my right and my wrestlers on my left. All right, wrestlers, you guys' first question. What is the fourth planet from the sun?
Okay. We are going to say it's Mars.
That's correct.
Let's go.
1-0. All right, bowlers, your first question. The U.S. purchased Alaska from which country?
What? What was the question?
Which country did America purchase Alaska from?
Oh.
So we got to think about like the 13 colonies and like how that can reflect what we would have bought. So like it's either Spain
No, not
or
Spain.
England.
Count Spain out.
Dude, England. It's gotta be.
No, it's gotta be Russia.
Russia?
Wait, country? Is Russia a continent?
No. Dude,
Alright.
you are.
All right, let's go.
We'll say Russia.
You are correct. It's 1-1.
Let's go.
There we go.
Come on, give me some.
All right, the score is 1-1. Wrestlers, your second question. What two teams participated in the first Super Bowl?
Chiefs Packers. Like the Super Bowl, not the
The Super Bowl.
Yeah. Chiefs Packers.
There it is. 2-1.
We got Brock here.
Bowlers, what is the hardest natural substance on Earth?
Diamond.
No. Is that our answer?
It's diamond.
That's correct. 2-2. Wrestlers, what is the largest desert in the world?
The Sahara Desert.
That is incorrect. All right, bowlers, you guys have a chance to steal the question. What is the largest desert in the world?
It's the Gobi Desert.
Say it.
Wait,
Go for
unless
it.
you know what the name of your Antarctica desert is.
Okay. The Gobi Desert.
No, Antarctica
that's
is
what
the
I thought.
largest desert.
Yeah, that's right.
Antarctica.
That is correct. Bowlers steal the point.
Okay.
Score is 3-2. We're going to 5. Bowlers, you guys stole that last question. You get another one. What is the most populated state in America?
Texas, I think.
California's an easy answer, but it could easily be New York. It's not Texas. It's not Texas. It's pick New York or California. It's one
It's
of the
not
two.
New York. It's Texas.
Okay, so you say no to New York. I say no to Texas. We'll go California.
Okay, we're gonna say California.
That is correct. Bowlers get another one. All right, the score is 4-2. Bowlers in the lead. Wrestlers. Who is the main character from the show Pokemon?
Okay.
You tell me.
We're going to say Ash Ketchum.
That is correct. Score is 3-4. Bowlers, you guys have a chance to take the win right here. All right, bowlers. Who painted the Sistine Chapel?
Oh, that's easy. I think it's gonna be like Martha Sistine.
Da Vinci.
Is it Da Vinci? Did you say Da Vinci? I feel like that's too obvious. It could be like,
Why would it be too obvious?
sure, because that'd be way too easy. So we're thinking like,
It's Picasso.
I don't think
Name any artist that you can think of.
I think we just use the Da Vinci and then put a first name in front of it. I think we just say
Leonardo.
No, what was the capital? Yeah, Sistine. Like Sistine as the last name and put it in front of it.
Did you say Da Vinci?
All right, do you guys have a final answer?
We'll go with Da Vinci.
It's not Da Vinci.
I told you guys, come on.
Wrestlers, you guys have a chance to steal the question. Who painted the Sistine Chapel?
So. Oh, I don't know.
I don't know his last name, but I'm pretty sure his first name is Michelangelo. We're going to say, does it have to be both first and last name?
It can be a last name. If it's identifiable,
We're going to say it's Michelangelo.
that is correct.
Yes!
High game. All right, the score is 4-4. It's all tied up. Wrestlers, you guys have a chance to take the lead, but you guys will have a chance to tie, and then we'll go into a tiebreaker round. Wrestlers, what was the first movie in color released?
Wizard of Oz, wasn't it?
What is it?
Wizard of Oz.
All right, well, might as well shoot for the stars here. We're going to guess Wizard of Oz.
That is correct.
Oh!
5-4. Bowlers, you guys need this question to enter the tiebreaker round. What is the name of the supercontinent in which all 7 of the current continents originated from?
It's Pangea.
That is correct.
Let's go.
5-5. All right, here's our tiebreaker round. It's 5-5. I'm going to ask you guys a question. Put your answers up at the same time after my drum roll. What year did the iPhone release to the public?
2000.
It was not. What was it? No. Was it? 2011.
Well, like,
Yes, you are. You're gonna get this.
I mean, the Apple phone, right? Yeah, was it 2009? Well, you know, but you've lived 3 years longer than I have.
It doesn't mean anything. I just remember my parents had Apple phones. I can't remember back that far. A little.
You guys have about 20 seconds left to come up with an answer.
All right, we're gonna.
Lock it in. You're letting your intrusive thoughts win. Lock it in. Lock it in.
That's something the answer is just good.
Lock it in. Lock it in. No. No.
Your guess is
Can you write this? Can you write this?
Let's go. Write it up. All right, write your answers down and then hold your papers.
You just lock.
All right, guys, can I get a drum roll, please? Place your answers in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, we won. I think we won. We took it.
And the wrestlers were closer by 1. Whoa!
What was here? What was here?
Nice
You
job,
gotta
guys.
be kidding.
What was here? What was here?
7. All right, guys, the wrestlers were off by 2, meaning they're the winners. They're gonna face Swim in the championship next week. Thank you guys for watching.